The moment you H-teamers have been waiting for. It's time to make something explode.
So today we're making elephant toothpaste from everyday items at your house. So first step is to put on safety goggles and gloves because you can play with it at the end. Okay, so next you're going to pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into an empty water bottle. Why are you wearing gloves? Alrighty, so guys, next step is to add 8 drops of your favorite food coloring into the bottle. But you can mix and match if you want. I'm gonna make purple today. Next, you add 1 tablespoon of dish soap into the water bottle and carefully swish around. Bubbles. There you go. Thank you. This smells good. Yeah, it does. Okay, so now you're going to set this aside, and with a new clean tablespoon, in a small cup, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of warm water to 1 tablespoon of yeast, which is just a packet of yeast. And you want to carefully mix it because they're living organisms, so don't be too rough with them. 3. There you go. Little buddies. So now you just mix it up. It might hurt for them to hit each other. Okay, so make sure there are no clumps and then place your bottle for the fun explosion. Okay, so now you're going to squeeze your Dixie cup like a funnel, pour it in, watch the fun explosion, and play with it and feel it. Okay, here we go. And mine's off. This is going so fast. Oh my gosh! Mine's so slow. It's so warm. It is? Oh my gosh. I want to feel it. Oh, it's so warm. I'm so excited. Come on, come on. Come on, little thing. Oh, so that is so exploding. Oh, yes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. It's so close. You're going to slow one goes. You're in. Oh, yours is, look at this side. Oh my god, wow, that is super warm. Isn't it so wow? It's so soft, fluffy. Oh my gosh. I love elephant toothpaste. Oh, I do too. It's funny, we need to now go give this to an elephant. Give them some toothpaste for you. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. And then if you want to get the rest of it out, you can just squeeze it out once it's done doing its thing. Ours are mixing.
Oh,
It's okay.
Wait, we should mix them.
We should mix them. Okay, mine's empty now.
Mine's still going.
Oh my gosh, yes, this is so soft.
Look, Kate, mine won't stop.
It's so relaxing. Trying again so we could try and get a bigger explosion.
Mine didn't even go. Yours got the big explosion this time.
Whoa. Oh, that's warm. That's really weird. Nice color.
Yeah, I like the color.
Mine? Yeah. Shake, yeah. Like that. Yeah. There you go. That's weird.
It's not going up at all. I mean, it is, but.
Super slow.
So, how'd it go, H team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm gonna give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey, everybody! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!